This is Justin Germino from DragonBlogger.com, and I'm here using the Gamdias Hephaestus P1 RGB gaming headset. One thing I noticed about this headset, which is very common in USB Windows headset that don't have their own microphone drivers, is that the volume of the microphone can be very low. So even if you are in the sound manager and you say have the volume at 100%, you can see AGC as checked and levels are 100%, the mic volume still is not very high. So if this is the case, you can always install APO and PEACE, and the links will be in the description, and with this you can configure it so that you can adjust the gain even if you don't see the gain controls in the Windows Sound Manager, which you won't for USB devices. So what you do is, after you install APO, go ahead and install APO, go install PEACE right away. Then you want to go into settings, and then you want to go into debug and testing, select equalizer APO's configurator, then go ahead and choose which devices you want to have APO apply to. This is for playback devices if you want to tweak, say, your 7.1, your speakers, and your playback, but for capture devices, you select your microphone. You can see I already configured the Gamdias USB audio device, or the microphone array for the microphone for this Hephaestus headset, and then you have to reboot your computer. So after you do that, you can see that it's configured. Then all you need to do is go into the PEACE settings, which I'm back into here, and I'll show you what happens when you do the preamplifying gain. You select the microphone array over here. I'll show in Audacity on the side here. This is about, you can see the levels and the volume of the mic. You hear it right now, but I can adjust the gain in real time, and I can keep increasing the gain in real time thanks to the software, the PEACE software and the APO software. Notice how as you increase the gain, it does pick up the background noise, so you have to kind of find that level where you don't get too much background hiss and you get your voice clear. Now, other ways you can improve the sound volume, I'll lower it here, show you it lower. Other ways you can improve the sound volume too, besides just increasing gain, would be when you're recording, is to adjust the background volume of system sounds. You can use Audacity to do filter tricks to filter out background noise, especially if you have to increase the gain, you get some hissing or some static in the background, which you do typically when you do preamplifying. So the Hephaestus P1 gaming headset from Gamdias actually sounds pretty good. The microphone is a little low, but this is a common Windows 10 issue with USB headsets. So in this case, you may need a program like APO and PEACE to help adjust the gain on the headset to maximize the microphone volume. Thank you for watching.